If we are given a table of values like the ones you see here, we can determine if the table represents a function or if it is not a function. In these tables, our input is going to be on the left column. So these are our x values, and our output is in the right column. So our output are the y values. Now, in order for me to determine if this first table is a function or not, I need to check each input value to see that it only goes to one output. If I find an input that gives me more than one output, I know that this is not a function. And so I can see that the -1 input gives me a 2 output, and down here I can see that a -1 input gives me an 8 output. That tells me that this is not a function. So I'm going to drag my circle over not a function. And now I'm going to say why. Well, the reason why is that the -1 input gave me two different outputs. That means that this is not a function. In the second example, I don't see any inputs that give me two outputs or more. I do see that the 1 input gives me a 10 output and that the 3 input gives me the 10 output. But that is okay because each input is only going to one output. So this example is a function. So I'm going to drag my green circle over function.